Good morning. We are looking at student scores. The total data spec is as follows. There are 100 students with a mean at the end of that. There are 10 courses by 5 modules. There's course 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, and we're going back to 1. So these are the courses. Each section of that relates to the outer boundary, as you've seen before. And those are the modules. And the results per module per student. So you can obviously see that format. We can take that further and we can naturally look at each course. And for each course and we can have a look at those 5 modules per course. We can see them over time and how they compare. And we can, of course, get the definition of the data from that. As you can see from the table, these are high-performing scores on average, and we're looking at that situation. We're now going to look at a different analysis. So thus far, the data looked like this. And there's 100 students. Okay. And you have these courses, 1 through 10, and the modules 1 through 5, as you can see over here. You then adjust that data. We take the row mean average, subtract that from the existing data, and get a differential for each course. And from that, we produce the next series of graphs, which represents this. Again, over here. Which is shown over here. Here we have the same outer boundary, obviously, and this is the differential on those courses. So you can see the outstanding students and you can see the lack of performance students because they're below the criteria line of the mean average as being the basis. And if you want to see naturally just the students by themselves, well, before that, let's look at how that performs over time. So there's significant differences, and you can obviously pick up which students are performing, which students are below the mean average, and which are significantly above and significantly below. And we can naturally look at that on a module basis, looking at the same thing as we did previously. And we can see it on a module basis, how they've performed. Bad score on that one, good 2 scores on that one. So coming back to this, we can naturally reduce the dimensionality. Oops, that's 4. And let's just make this 3 here. And there the center core has gone away. And what we're looking at now are the 10 courses by module per student. And naturally you can go through that and see it clearly and how it performs. I'm sure that this gets much closer to where you want it to be. Thank you for your time. Good day.